Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to Bro Talk, a weekly episode where I respond to some of your questions and comments. First, let's talk about the top question that I got over the week. Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earbuds or Sennheiser Momentum TWS earbuds, which is better? When I reviewed the Klipsch T5 True Wireless earbuds in this video, this is what I said. I said that I will not hesitate recommending these earbuds to anyone I know, friends or family. And the reason for this is very simple. I feel, in my opinion, that this is pretty good value for money. It's $199 and you get a great set of features such as IPX5 water resistance, a great battery life, USB-C charging, great sound quality for its price, really. And it's also got great build quality and design. It supports aptX codec, and there's also going to be an app for it coming up in July, which will make it even better value for money. Now, am I saying that these earbuds are perfect? No, of course not. There are some things about them which I don't like, which I covered in my review of these earbuds. If you want to know everything that I said about the Klipsch T5 True Wireless earbuds, watch this video over here. This is my review. I covered everything in there. Everything. Good and bad. But suffice to say that despite their shortcomings, these earbuds are still one of the best value for money earbuds you can buy at $199. Now, how do they stack up against the Sennheiser Momentum TWS earbuds? If you're someone who is all about sound quality and sound quality alone, so you're not looking at features or design, only sound, go for the Sennheisers, because the Sennheisers are by far the best sounding true wireless earbuds I have ever tried. And I say this every time I talk about earbuds. Now, how do they compare against the Klipsch in terms of audio to video syncing? For some reason, despite the fact that they both support aptX, the Sennheisers seem to have better audio video syncing than the Klipsch, especially when you're using an Android phone. Now, here's the thing. I cannot tell you which of these two earbuds to buy because both of them are my favorite earbuds. But what I can do is to give you all the relevant information you need to make an informed decision based on what you require in a pair of earbuds. So this is what I've done, and I hope that information was helpful for you. Now we're going to look at some other questions and comments I've received over the week. Mohan Raj asks, "Hi, I'm thinking of getting wireless earbuds for listening to music and watching occasional YouTube videos on my iPhone. I am torn between the Powerbeats Pro and the Sennheiser Momentum TWS. Does the latency issue on vids make it unwatchable for the Sennheiser since iPhone doesn't support aptX, and are there any alternatives? Thanks." Well, Mohan, you don't have to worry about latency if you're just referring to watching videos on YouTube, because I know for a fact that YouTube will, in most cases, correct for latency issues by delaying the audio so that it lines up with the video. So it shouldn't matter whether you're using the Sennheiser or the Powerbeats Pro. But if it's for gaming, then the Powerbeats Pro will make a better choice because of its H1 chip. So that chip allows you to get up to 30% less latency on an iOS device compared to, say, if we were using a pair of earbuds without H1. That is somewhat equivalent to the low latency performance of aptX. So it's pretty good. Next question. Bukra asks, "This is gonna sound stupid, but what about the Sennheiser's MTW versus Sony 1000XM3 in terms of sound quality?" Well, that's not a stupid question at all, because a lot of people tend to want to compare earbuds to headphones. Well, the thing is, you can't really compare because headphones, by virtue of their larger driver size, is capable of so much more. For example, I just give you one example, okay? Sound staging. There is no way you can get the same airy, open sound staging that you can get with headphones from a pair of in-earbuds. It just doesn't work. Now, an analogy I can offer is this. Comparing headphones to earbuds is kind of like comparing a car to a motorbike. Both vehicles get you from point A to point B, but in what fashion? A car can get you to point B in comfort with air conditioning and all that. A motorbike zips through traffic like nothing, right? But you don't have that kind of comfort and luxury. Likewise, a pair of headphones can give you all that sound staging and all that, but cannot fit into your pocket, which a pair of earbuds can. So it's very difficult to compare. Next question. Charles Salino asks, does LDAC have less latency than aptX? Well, LDAC, if I'm not mistaken, does not have better latency than aptX. In fact, it should have the same latency as SBC. Nicole SD commenting on this video in which I compared the Bose Headphone 700 against the Sony XM3. I purchased the Sony XM3 today. Although they were designed to work mostly with smartphones, I will be using mine with my computer this summer. Our balconies are being refurbished and we've got people with jackhammers getting rid of the bad concrete. When they come to my balcony, I want to be able to go through the day without the banging noise. Okay, common misconception about noise cancelling headphones. Noise cancelling headphones cannot get rid of all unwanted noise. You can minimize the noise, but it's impossible to get rid of all the noise, and to understand why, this video should help. This comment comes from Darren Unknown, commenting my video about how to connect your portable speaker to your TV. The most popular video on my channel, more than 350,000 views. Wow. Your voice look like a Jackie Chan. Well, that's kind of disappointing because I was hoping my voice would look like a Keanu Reeves. Moving on. Golf. Or is it golfer? Golfer or golf? Anyway, he's commenting my video about whether you should order the Bose Headphone 700 or the up-and-coming Sony XM4. Now in this video, I said this. I do not ever piss in the shower. Piss goes where it's supposed to go. In the toilet or... You know what? I'm not going to tell you guys, okay? Don't judge me. And he replies, I only piss in the shower, son. Wow. Too much information. But no judging. No judging. Next comment. Woofy Nu commenting my review about the LG WK7 Wi-Fi speaker. Now, he's asking about something that I said during the video. So it's gonna be a little bit of a weird question, right? If you and the LG speaker get married and have a baby, what will you name it? LG Mini? Well, I haven't really thought about it. Maybe you should ask the speaker. Maybe speaker might have a better idea. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. What will you name our baby?
You could name it Dory.
Dory? Dory sounds like a fish. Okay, Google. What will you name our baby? One more time.
Emerson would be a poetic name for a baby.
Emerson sounds better. Emerson. I wonder what Emerson will be like. Anyway, thank you for watching another episode of Bro Talk. Now, like I said before, this is going to be a weekly thing. So if you have any questions or comments from me about anything at all under the sun, tell me in the comment section below. I'll pick some of the best ones and feature them in the next episode of Bro Talk, okay? This is Aaron, and as always, if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join Notification Squad because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. And remember to enable YouTube notifications in your settings as well, because I noticed that quite a large number of people who rang the bell did not activate notifications in YouTube settings, so there will be no notifications at all regardless. So do that, and I'll see you again in the next one, okay?